abroad when it comes to private life, because in football, if you have this training ground or you put it somewhere else, you have the pitch, you have your meeting rooms, and players are. You always wonder if you go from Feyenoord to Liverpool if that changes a lot in terms of characters or personalities or. But my experience in general in football is the bigger the players are, so the more known they are, the less ego they have. So it's mostly the players underneath the top that try to maybe have a bit of a different ego, or they think they are just a bit better than they maybe are. But yeah, I've been lucky enough that the culture of this team, I think you can set that in a perfect way, is be in time, work really hard every single day, and try to become a better player every single day. And that is what I noticed from the first day I came in.
Talking about the first day you came in, I mean, I always think with a new coach when he comes into any football club, it's that first day, the impact that you make. Yeah. You must have given that some thought about how to present yourself. You're Definitely. A human being.
Yeah. No, but apart from that, I think that's one of the main things you have to think about. So it's not only the first day, it's also the second day. And even today, I have to think about how do I come in after so many good results and now playing Ipswich. So every single day you think about what tone you